Good morning, dear students. Myself Amit Yadav, and you are watching Vertex Academy, my YouTube channel. And today we will discuss about the revised edition of paper pattern for English core for 11th class. And I am also use Hindi due to some of my viewers and students. They told me that they are not able to understand English, so I will also tell in Hindi. So, students, part A that has 40 marks. In it, reading section that has 18 marks. In first, multiple choice questions based on one unseen passage to access comprehension, interpretation, and inference. Vocabulary and inference of meaning will also be assessed. The passage may be factual, descriptive, and or literary. 10 out of 11 question in this passage, one passage you will get that has 10 marks. And 11 question will be there, and you have to attempt 10 questions, 1 marks each. Second passage, multiple choice question will be there on one unseen case based factual passage with verbal visual inputs like statistical data. Charts may be there. 8 out of 9 questions will be there. Just like in first passage, you have to attempt 10 questions instead of 11. Same here, you have to attempt 8 questions instead of 9, and each and every question has 1 mark. And after 8, grammar. We will discuss about grammar. 8 marks will be there. It is also based on multiple choice. Multiple choice questions on gap filling. It may be based on determiners and tenses. Multiple choice questions on reordering, transformation or sentences. Means total 8 marks has given to grammar section. Next one is literature section. In literature section, 14 marks. Multiple choice question from an extract from poetry from Hornbill to assess comprehension and appreciation. Any one out of 2 extracts to be done, it has 3 marks. Second one is multiple choice questions based on 2 prose extract out of the 3 given from prose, Hornbill as well as snapshots, to assess comprehension and appreciation. 6 marks will be there, 1 mark each for 1 question. Text based multiple choice questions to assess comprehension, analysis, and interpretations from prose and poetry. 5 questions out of 6 questions to be done. Here it is also based on multiple choice questions. Next one we will discuss about 40 marks. It is the second part of the passage. In it, reading section, it has 8 marks, that is based on note making and summarization. That is based on a passage of approximately 200 to 250 words. Note making. In note making, I want to divide the marks. First one, title. Title has 1 marks, numbering and indenting. 1 marks, key and glossary. 1 marks, notes, 2 marks. It has 5 marks. 3 marks for summary, up to 50 words. But in my opinion, good summary will be based on 50 to 100 words. Content, 1 mark. Expression, 1 mark. It has 3 marks. And writing section, short writing task, notice writing up to 50 words, 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered. 3 marks, format 1, content 1, expressions. Same as question number 3. In second part, short writing task. It may be based on poster up to 50 words. 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered. 3 marks. Format 1 mark, content 1 marks, and expression 1 marks. Question number 4. Letters based on verbal visual input to be answered in 120 to 150 words. Business or official letters for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing orders, and sending replies. Letter to the school or school authority, college authorities regarding admissions, school issues, requirements, suitability of courses, etc. one out of the two given questions to be answered. Means you have to attempt only one question instead of two. 5 marks for it. Format 1 marks, content 2 marks, expression 2 marks. Writing composition, it belongs to fifth question, based on verbal or visual inputs in 120 to 150 words, may be descriptive, argumentative in nature, such as speech or debate. Because report article are deleted from your syllabus, so this question will be based on speech or debate. Anything may come. Sometimes you can find both, and you have to attempt only one. The theme should be contemporary, topical issues. One out of the two given questions to be answered. 5 marks, format 1, content 2 marks, and expression 2 marks. Literature section, it has for 16 marks, 2 short answers, type question, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry from the book Hornbill out of 4. To be answered 30 to 40 words. Here you will get 4 questions and you have to name 2 questions, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry from the Hornbill. It has 30 to 40 word limit. Questions should elect inferential responses through critical thinking. It has 2 marks each. Means 4 marks will be there. Question number 7, 1 short answer type question from prose snapshots to be answered in 40 to 50 words. Questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking. Any one out of 2 questions to be done. It has 1 marks each. Next question. 1 long answer type question from prose poetry Hornbill to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assist global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative and analytical responses using incidents, events, themes as reference points. Any one out of 2 questions to be done. It has 5 marks. 9 number, it has 1 long answer type question based on the chapter from the book Snapshots to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative and analytical responses using incidents, events, themes and as reference points. Any one out of 2 questions to be done. It has 5 marks. Students, now I told about the revised edition of paper pattern. So if anybody has problem, so they can send the message in my comment section. Thank you so much.